Welcome to my Dad Muffin Art channel. Begin by gathering your clay material. Roll out a thin sheet of clay using a rolling pin or your hands. Sketch a rough outline of a flower on a piece of paper. Use a toothpick or sculpting tool and trace the outline onto the clay. Start shaping the petals by cutting them out of the clay sheet. Flatten each petal slightly to add a more natural curve. Use a small tool to ease lines into the petals. Begin layering the petals in a circular pattern around the center. Shape a small ball of clay for the center of the flower. Press it gently into place in the middle of the petals. Carefully pinch the tips of the petals to add mixture. Gently lift the edges of the outer petals for a more dynamic look. Smooth out any rough areas with your fingers or a soft brush. Add more petals if you want a fuller looking flower. Roll out thin strips of clay for the flower stem. Attach the stem at the bottom of the flower, blending the connection. Add small leaves by shaping and attaching them to the stem. Define the veins of the leaves with a small sculpting tool. Check the flowers are all balanced and adjust if necessary. Let the clay flower air dry or bake it in an hour, depending on your clay type.